Hello everyone. Answer the following question. See the question number 17. In an arithmetic progression, if S20 is equal to 820 and 820 is equal to 79, then find its first term. So here S20 is equal to 820 and 820, so this is equal to 79. So here n is equal to 20. So we have to find its first term. Okay. So recall the formula for the sum of an arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So here a is the first term and an is the nth term. So substitute the given values into the formula. So here given S20 is equal to 820. Okay. So idana ನಾವು equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so 820 is equal to n is 20 divided by 2 into so a plus an is 79. Okay. So ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 820 this is equal to, so 20 divided by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, a plus 79. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ 10. ಸೊ 820 divided by 10. So this is equal to a plus 79. So 10 ones are 10, 82s ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 82 is equal to a plus 79. So like terms ಅನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 82, 79 ಅನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a is equal to 82 minus 79. So a is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 82 minus 79 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So therefore the first term of the arithmetic progression is 3. Okay. Thank you.